In today's video, I will walk you through how to copy a Discord message link. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your computer and navigate to the server and channel where the message you want to share is located. Scroll through the conversation until you find the specific message you want to link to. This can be your own message or someone else's, as long as you can access it. Once you've found the message, right-click it to open the Message context menu. On a trackpad, you can use a two-finger click to open the same menu. From the menu, select Copy Message Link. Discord will immediately copy a direct link to that specific message to your clipboard. You won't see much happen on screen, but the link is now ready to paste wherever you need it. To use the link, paste it into a Discord channel, direct message, email, document, note, or task tracker. On Windows, you can press Ctrl+V, while Mac users can use Command+V. When someone clicks the message link, Discord will take them directly to the message and display it within the surrounding conversation. Keep in mind that message links respect server and channel permissions. If someone doesn't have access to the channel or server where the message is located, they won't be able to view it. If the message or channel is deleted later, the link may no longer work.
If you need a permanent record, consider saving a screenshot or another copy of the information. You can also test the link yourself by pasting it into a temporary note or an appropriate test channel and opening it to make sure it points to the correct message. That's it. Open the right channel, right-click the message, select Copy Message Link, and paste it wherever you need. And that's how to copy a Discord message link. Click the link on the description below.
Thank you for watching the video.